So here's the results from the ultrasonic cleaner. So adding the heat helps break this stuff down much better, and that additional heating element gets that solution up to temperature quickly, as opposed to just the heater built into the ultrasonic cleaner. I think could take hours to get up to temp. With that, it probably is 30 minutes to get it to kind of like almost that roll and boil. But the benefit, heat helps strip the paint. Stuff just starts flaking off after it's been boiled for a while. The oil's now removed. The oil eater product likes to be hot temperature wise, so it works better. And then all that's left really on these cases, for this example, is an ATC, which has been in the mud, but all that oil's been removed. Now I can bring it into my glass box, or you can bring it into your vapor honer. Don't have to deal with the oil anymore because that's gone. As you saw, I skim the solution. All that oil sits on the top. Just skim it out of the solution for the next batch. But again, heat, oil eater, and ultrasonic tank, good prep method to get your stuff ready for blasting.